Hi there. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we're going to learn 6 real-life English conversations you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's get started. Coffee shop order.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a tall caramel latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please. And could you make it with less sugar?
Sure, we can use half the usual syrup. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I'll take a blueberry muffin.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all, thanks.
Great. Your total is $7.80. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with MasterCard, please.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay,
Thank you. Your drink will be ready at the pickup counter.
thanks.
Have a great day.
You too.
Clothing store talk.
Hello. Welcome to our store.
Hi, are there any sales today?
Yes, all shirts are 30% off.
That's great. I like this one. How much is it?
It was $40, but now it's $28.
Nice. Do you have it in medium size?
Let me check. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
It fits well. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
No problem. Here's your receipt. Enjoy your new shirt.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hair salon talk.
Hi, welcome to Sunny Hair Salon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure, just a trim or something new.
Just a trim. I want to keep the length, but make it cleaner.
Got it. Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, please.
How do you want your bangs?
Just above the eyebrows, please.
Your hair looks great. Would you like to try hair color? A soft brown or warm highlights would look amazing on you.
Oh, thanks. That sounds nice, but maybe next time.
No problem. Do you want me to blow dry your hair after the cut?
Yes, that would be great.
All done. How do you like it?
Can I see the back?
Sure, here's the mirror.
It feels so fresh. I love it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. That'll be $25.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Fast food order.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Hi. Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and a small fries, please.
Would you like to make it a combo with a drink?
Yes, a medium Coke, please.
Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
That will be $6.50.
Can I pay with card?
Sure, you can tap or insert it here.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Your order number is 25.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
supermarket checkout.
Hi, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course! What do you need help with?
I accidentally scanned this cereal twice. Can you remove one?
No problem. Okay, I've canceled the extra scan. You're all set.
Thank you. Also, these bananas don't have a barcode. What should I do?
Let me take a look. You can enter the PLU code manually. It's 4011.
Thank you so much. Can I pay with cash?
Yes, just insert the bills here. Your change will come out below.
Okay. The machine didn't print my receipt.
Oh, sorry, the paper is low. Let me replace it for you.
Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Movie time.
Hey, Emma, are you free tonight?
Yeah, I'm free. Why?
Want to go see a movie?
Sounds fun. What's playing?
I checked online. There's a new comedy and an action movie.
I love comedies. What time does it start?
Give me a sec. The comedy starts at 7:30 p.m.
Great. Should I buy my ticket online?
Nah, don't worry. I got both tickets.
Awesome. Thanks, Liam.
We still have about an hour. Want to grab something to eat first?
Sure. Let's get hot dogs and popcorn inside the theater. It's on me this time.
Thanks, Emma. Oh, and don't forget the cola.
Perfect. I'm so excited.
Great job today. Don't forget to subscribe for more real English for real life. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.